your apps and programs are broken in Windows 11 and Windows 10, this usually happens because of the cache files have been corrupted. Find This tutorial will teach you 3 methods that will help you repair your broken apps and programs. Let's say your Prime Video app is broken. To repair it, first open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Apps and Features section. Locate Prime Video. Click on the little dots to open the Prime Video options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Prime Video app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Prime Video data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Prime Video is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Telegram's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Prime Video is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. The Prime Video app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Prime Video again.